Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll go over the alarm system of the 99 W140 S500 Mercedes Benz. So this is an older vehicle, it's from the 90s. Then we have my town car there, it's from the 2000s, and then this Explorer here, which is pretty new. It's only 2 years old, so it's from 2020. We'll go over all the alarm systems and see if they changed over the years, but in this video in particular we'll only go over the Mercedes alarm system. There's two things I can say about this. You will notice that the Mercedes has a special horn for the alarm system. It's an it almost sounds like an older style horn from the older Mercedes. You'll hear it, and you probably have heard it before or seen it in my short teaser video. That's one thing to say. The other thing is when the alarm system is on, it's not the turn signal lights, not the hazards that flash, but it's the fog lights. In here, in this housing, there is HID xenon lights. They do not flash, of course, but it's the fog lights underneath. They do flash. Why did they use the fog lights and not the brights? That I don't know. And at the rear, it's the tail lamps, I believe, that flash when the alarm is triggered. Okay, let's go look at the what the manual says about this. I've got that all open here and prepared it for you. Let's see, anti-theft alarm system. You can arm it by pushing the locking the doors with your remote. And it says the alarm system gets triggered by opening a door, opening the trunk, opening the hood, switches on or bridges the ignition circuit. And then we'll keep going for 2.5 minutes. It will pause for 60 seconds and it will go on again, and then it'll pause for 30 seconds, and then starts making sound again, and so on and so off. It will not shut off. So if you open and close the doors, also you cannot turn it off. I think you have to turn on the ignition or push on the button on your key. I'll just turn on the ignition, make it start the car, and then we'll see where it goes. Okay, let's arm it by pushing the lock button. Push that twice. Why it flashes so often. Okay, let's go see if it's armed. Should be an indicator in the car on the lock key. There we go. Let me see that. You see a little light. There's one on the radio. That's just the anti-theft of the radio, and there's one at the top on the button to lock or unlock the keys. The doors, and that's the one that shows you that this car is armed. There's no motion sensor or anything in here. See, I'm waving around my camera. There is none. Now, we'll pretend to break in the car and just open the handle from inside and see what it does. Here we go. Here we go. Started the vehicle and the alarm is off, just the way it should be. All right. I hope that was not too chaotic, running around with the camera and trying to find my keys and starting it. And another thing you should note is at the tail lamps, there are 2 bulbs per side, so 4 bulbs total. There's only 1 bulb on each side that flashes when the alarm is on. So that's quite interesting to see that. So not that you think that there's a bulb out. There are no bulbs out on my vehicles. Alright, that was the check of the alarm system of the Mercedes. It was fun to try it out. I'm always a little bit afraid will have some more functions sometime and then keep blaring and I can't turn it off. I hope that's not going to happen. Next video, when we talk about the alarm systems, we'll switch over to the Lincoln Town Car, see how that's evolved, if it's the same system or a better system, and then the one after that we can do the Mustang, the Shelby GT350, or we can do the 2020 Explorer. We'll see, maybe we'll do both. Till then, I hope you're safe out there and keep watching my channel.